Hi, Ruby. Good evening.
Well, sure.
How are you
About
today,
yeah.
Ruby?
Well, hello.
How are you
Oh,
today?
I'm good.
Did you
Thank
go
you,
to school
teacher.
today?
I'm good.
Did you go to school
Yes.
today? What
Yes,
did you do?
teacher. I learn in school.
Are you ready for tonight's class?
Yes.
Okay, okay. So wait, let me share my screen first. Okay. So, can you still remember what was our last lesson?
Yes.
Okay. Now, can you give me a recap or can you share something about last time?
Yes.
What did you learn last time about our class?
We in the lesson two we learn about the choice.
Yes, yes, yes. What do you still have another one to share?
And in the and in the some class we learn about the famous people.
Yes, yes, very good, very good. Thank you, Ruby, for sharing your the things that you've learned last meeting. So, last meeting we've ended with Connie, right?
Yes.
Okay, so now we are going to proceed to Adora's Vita. Okay, can you please read this, Ruby?
Adora Svitok is from the US. She's a writer and a teacher. She's 11. Adora's books are very good.
Okay, thank you, Ruby, for reading the sentence. So, what does Adora do? She is a.
Adora is a writer and she's a teacher.
So, how old is Adora?
She's 11 years old.
Okay, very good. So, how old are you again?
I'm 10 years
Oh,
old.
okay, you're 10. Okay, thank you, Ruby. So, next is we are going to proceed to James Hurst.
James Hurst is 50. He's a rich footballer. He's in Portsmouth Football Club.
Okay, so can you remember your favorite footballer?
Mm, he's the Ronaldo.
I thought you like a footballer whose name is Vietnamese. Why did you change your mind?
Because I don't remember how name is he.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you, thank you. Let's proceed. So, for the next one, we are going to answer comprehension. Okay, so we are going to write the letters. After reading this, we can now answer the second one since that the two are connected. So for example, for the number one, he is 14 and he is a dancer. Who is he? You just
He's
write the letter inside the box. Do you understand or do you want me to repeat the question or the instruction?
Spanish.
What?
I understand.
Okay, okay. Put the letters inside the small boxes. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. C, D, B, A, C. Okay, I'm going to correct your answer first. So, for the number two, she is a writer. Very good. She is Adora's VTAC. Number three, he is an actor too. Letter B. So he is Josh Frederick. Very good. She is a singer. So what is her name? Your answer is letter
Honey.
A. Okay, very good. She is Connie Talbot. For the last one, he is a footballer. Obviously, it's James
James.
Hurst. Yes, yes. Very good, very good. Thank you, Ruby, for answering the question. So now we are going to proceed to activity number three. Choose and write the names. Okay, can you read the names inside the highlighted box, Ruby?
George. Connie. James. Adora.
Okay, it is not James, but James. Can you repeat the name? James.
James.
Okay, very good, very good. So thank you. For this one is it's the opposite of the task two. So in this one, instead of writing the letters, you are going to put the names of their respected talents for oh you're answering already. Okay, very good. So Adora is a writer. So okay, very good. So James is the footballer. So who is the musical Billy Elliot? Yes, it's Josh. So Connie is eight.
Is
Very good, very good. You got everything correct. So let's proceed to the next one. Okay. For the task four, we are going to read and write. Yes, he or she is, or no, he or she isn't. So you are going to answer yes, he or she, if it is correct. If that statement is correct, you are going to answer no, he or she isn't, if the answer is not correct. Okay? Do you
yes.
understand?
I understand it.
Okay, okay. Very good. Okay, very good. Is Josh an actor? If you are struggling writing, Ruby, you can just state your answer. Is Josh a she or a he?
It's a he.
Yes, Josh, the pronoun of Josh is he. Is James a writer? No, he isn't. Okay. For the last number, what is your answer? Okay, very good. But I think for the number two, you got the pronoun wrong. Is Adora a boy? Are you sure? Look at your answer in the number two.
Okay, sorry. Thank you, teacher. On the
No
call.
problem, no problem. Okay, okay. So you are going to read your answer and correct and replace it with the correct person, okay? Is Adora a footballer?
Yes.
Is Adora a footballer?
Not to run as a footballer.
So who's the footballer? It's James. Okay, let's proceed to number two. Is Josh an actor?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Is an actor he is from the UK. Is James a writer?
No.
No. So who is the writer?
Adora.
Okay, very good. The writer is Adora. For the last one, is Connie a singer?
Yes, she is.
Yes, she is a singer. So where does Connie come from? What country?
Come from the UK.
Yes, she is from the UK. The same with Josh. They are
Yes.
both singer. Sorry. They both engage with music. Connie is a singer while Josh is in the musical Billy Elliot. Okay, thank you, Ruby, for answering the task. So let's proceed. So for the next one, it is vocabulary. The instruction is read and circle. Okay, Ruby, so can you read the numbers from 1 to 5?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, thank you. Read the number from 1 to 5, please. Okay, thank you very much, Ruby, for answering. Can you read the numbers from 1 to 5 with your answer?
Uh, is she a is she a singer? Yes, she is. Is
Okay,
she a dancer? No, he isn't.
very
Is she
good,
a
Ruby.
footballer? No, she isn't. Is
Yes.
she an actor? Yes, he is. Is he a writer? No, he isn't.
Yes, very good. So, what can you see about the number 2? If he is not a dancer, what is he doing?
Is he a writer?
Yes, possible because he is using his computer. For the number 3, what is the girl doing?
The girl is then. I think she is a dancer or baller.
Yes, she is not a footballer because she is doing ballet. Are you familiar with ballet dance?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Are you interested in watching that soon or do you want to participate?
No, I don't want to
Oh, yes,
see
yes.
the.
I'm sorry. I forgot you like singing you like singing more than dancing, right?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Yes, you've mentioned last time that you've participated in your school a competition or did your teacher let you present it?
Mm.
Oh, okay, Ruby, thank you so much. What about the number 5? What is it?
He's our doctor.
Okay, very good, very good. He is a doctor. Okay, Ruby, so before we proceed, what do you want to become in the future?
I want to be a.
What do you want to be?
I want to be a dancer.
Oh, you want to be a dancer. What kind of dance? Hip hop?
Yes.
Okay, so you both like dancing and singing. Wow, you've got talent, Ruby. Okay, okay, continue. What about a profession? What do you want to be?
Mm, I want to be a teacher.
Oh, you want to teach. What do you want to teach? Adult or a kids?
Vietnamese.
Vietnamese kids like me? Do you want to teach kids or adults?
It's the adult.
Okay, Ruby. Thank you so much for sharing. Okay, so now we are going to proceed. Choose and write. Okay. As you can see, what we are going to do is you are going to write the words, write this in the blanks. If it is their um, correct image, or if they are matching, for example, for the number one, a singer. Yes, it is correct. The girl is holding a mic, so she is singing. She is a singer. So, what about number two? What do you think is in number two?
It's footballer.
A footballer. Very good. For the number three,
It's a policeman.
a policeman. Very good. What about number four?
It's the dancer.
Number four, you
Oh,
think it's a
it's the
dancer?
doctor.
Yes, it's a
Doctor.
doctor. It's a doctor. Okay, what about number five?
Number five is the dancer.
Yes, the number five is the dancer. For the number six, what do you think it is?
Number six is the actor.
Hmm. There is no actor in the
I know it's the
choices. Yes, she is or he is a pilot. Thank you so much, Ruby, for answering the task number six. Now we are going. Oh, is that your brother?
no, it's my sister.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Is that a girl? Can I look? Can I take a look? Hi. Hello. Good evening. What's her name?
Her name is Anna.
Oh, Anna. Hi, Anna. Are you familiar with Let It Go, Frozen?
Oh yes, because it's the English name for my mom.
Okay. Thank you. Hi, Anna. Nice to meet you. Okay, Ruby, let's proceed. So, writing. Can you read this? The one I encircle. Tom Walters.
Tom Waters. About
Mhm.
me. Hi, my name is Tom. I'm 7. I'm from the UK. My hero is Fernando Torres. He's a footballer. He's 25. He's from Spain. He's great.
Yes. So, Tom Walters is a 7-year-old kid from the UK. His hero is Fernando Torres, who's a footballer at 25 years old from Spain, and he is great. Okay, so now it's your turn to write. I will read the
Yeah.
instruction and you can read it again if you still don't understand, okay? So write the sentences with capital letters and full stops. Okay, so what you are going to do is you are going to write the capital letters. For example, like this, if you are going to write a name, the first letter should start with a capital letter. For example, I am going to write your name, Ruby. Watch. Instead of using a small letter R, you are going to use a capital letter R. So it should look like this.
Oh, I know it.
Okay. Everything. A noun should start with, like for example, a place, a person, or time should start with a capital letters. I'm from I'm from Italy. Very good. My hero is
Oh, wait.
Okay, okay, take your time, Ruby. Don't pressure yourself. Take your time. My hero is Yes, very good. My hero is Orlando Bloom.
Oh, wait.
Oh, take your time. Take your time. It's okay. It's okay. She's from Brazil. Okay, very good. So now I'm going to correct your answer, Ruby. Then I will explain it after. I'm from Italy. My hero is Orlando Bloom. I'm from the UK. She is from Brazil. So do you know why we changed the letters here, the small letters here to capital letters?
Because it's the word in the first sentence.
Yes,
The
very good.
first sentence.
Yes, yes, yes. That's the reason. So every time you are going to write a sentence, the first word should be capitalized. And what about this?
Because it's the name of the people or the country.
Yes, very good. So it is a noun. When you are writing a noun, it should be capitalized. A name, a person. You should start with a capital letter when you are writing a name of a person or a place. Very good. Thank you, Ruby, for answering the task number 7. So now we are going to proceed to the number 8. So first is draw or stick a picture of you and a picture of your hero. Write about you and your hero. So what you are going to do is you are just going to copy what you read earlier. What can you see this? Can you see the box? You are just going to make a introduction about yourself like this, like Tom Walters. For example, I am going to write about myself. Hi, my name is Gwen. I'm 20 years old and I'm from the Philippines. My hero is, I don't know. I still don't know my hero until now because I don't like to talk about what is that? My name, hi, my name is Ruby. And I'm from Vietnam. So who is your hero?
Mm.
Who do you think your hero is?
This people is famous in Vietnam.
But you don't know the name?
I know this button.
Take your time, take your time.
Can I write my hero in Vietnam is the my famous singer.
Yes, 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 no problem. There is no wrong answer in this because it is your opinion. This will be our last activity before we say bye-bye, Ruby. How do I pronounce that? Kwang? Kwang Hun? Kwang
Yes,
Kwang Hong?
yes.
Okay, okay, okay. Proceed. Proceed, proceed. Kwang Hong. Is a singer. Okay, very good. So how old is he?
He's in is 27, no
Okay, okay. Write
28.
it on the screen. My hero is Kwang Hong. He is a singer. He's 27. He's from Vietnam. Like that. He from Okay, very good. I think you forgot I think you forgot something. He 27. You forgot? You wrote
Oh, and
you wrote he 27. Okay, very good. He is. He from Vietnam? Are you sure he from?
yes,
You did not include the S. Read it. Read your sentence. He from Vietnam. Okay, very good. Very good, Ruby. So can you read the one you wrote?
My name is Ruby. I'm 10. I'm from Vietnam. My hero is Quang Ho. He's a singer. He's 27. He's from Vietnam. He's wonderful.
Okay, very good, Ruby. Thank you for doing our activity for tonight. So, I guess the time is here. It's time to say bye-bye and I'm going to meet you this coming Friday, okay? Thank you
Yes,
so
goodbye,
much, Ruby,
teacher.
for joining our class tonight. Bye-bye. Have a good night.